Safety is important for all of us who work at an industrial site. Every day as an employee, contractor, supplier, or other authorized individual, you get exposed to various risks from the complex environment around you. These risks change over time. Some you can see, but others are invisible. So, how do we create a safer workplace together? Well, by releasing all vital safety information. SSG On Site is a digital communication service and app that makes sure everyone who needs the right information in the right place and at the right time actually receives it. SSG On Site meets the needs of both the site and the user and contributes to a safer workplace. SSG On Site is one of the key elements in SSG safety concept, SSG Safety. SSG On Site makes it possible to reach everyone who is present at a site with up-to-date and relevant information directly on their mobile phones, no matter where they are. And the app meets 3 key needs in order to create a safer industrial site. SSG On Site gives the site an entirely local and dynamic communication channel where the site itself administers all its communication relating to safety. As a user, you can easily connect to the site you are working on, check your authorization, and access necessary updated information from the site whenever you need it. You can also find a lot of other sites through the app, all with the same looks and user experience. In this way, we can reduce the risk of misunderstandings and increase the safety, not least for contractors. SSG On Site gathers all current information from a site for users in a single location, regardless of whether it relates to safety or general information. Moreover, it collects all updated contact information and allows users to create their own contact lists, which make it considerably easier for them to find the right contacts quickly. This service also facilitates day-to-day safety work with risk inventories and incident reports, for example, by means of readily accessible and interactive forms. Positioning and local maps allow users to access a clear overview of the site, find the right location easily, and also find points of interest as defibrillator locations and assembly points quickly. SSG On Site is always there, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year in case of emergency. This service allows connected sites to send alerts to all users on their sites and pass on regular updates by means of notifications in the app. In emergencies, users can also find the right emergency number just in a single click. As an SSG On Site user, you and the people you share your working day with get the power of a modern and dynamic communication service based entirely on industry's reality and challenges. This also means you are working with a service that is constantly evolving and where new functions are added in order to perform the tasks in SSG Safety even more efficiently. And what we all share with one another, namely the fact that everyone should arrive home safe and unharmed at the end of each working day.